Ads here from Herman Hits the Road. Sherwood Pines Camping in the Forest campsite is a new campsite situated in the Sherwood Forest. Now, it's not that difficult to get to by caravan or motorhome, but in this video I'm going to show you a couple of routes, one from the north and one from the south, on how to get to Sherwood Pines campsite. So stick around and stay tuned. I'll stick timestamps in the video description so you can go directly to the route that's most interesting to you. First of all, we're going to take a look at the route from the south, and we're going to take a look at a map first so you can see where we're talking about. So coming from the south on the M1, you want to come off at junction 28, travel along the A38 until you get to the A617, turn right, follow it round Mansfield, all the way round, and there is where we're going to pick up the camera from the motorhome. Eventually you'll come across this roundabout here where you need to turn left onto the A614 towards Ollerton and Doncaster. Okay, so now we're going to turn left onto the B6034 towards Edwinstowe, Centre Parks and Sherwood Pines. Okay, so we've got another left coming up. This is the B6030 towards Old Clipstone, Sherwood Pines. On the left here is the Robin Hood pub. Good point of interest and quite close to the campsite. This is cycling territory, so be aware of cycles. So the Sherwood Pines and Go Away sign just there. Just need to do a left. All we need to do now is follow the signs to the campsite. In fact, just keep following this road all the way to the end. Here is the visitor centre. Keep right here and take the road rather than the exit. That confused me when I came round here for the first time. And here we are at the campsite. Nice big sign for you there. Just turn left. And new arrivals stop here. Now let's take a look at the route from the north. So coming from the north, there are two routes available. You can either come off the M1 junction 31 and travel down the A57 all the way down to Worksop junction with the A1, or you can come down the M18 and come off at the A1M junction and follow the A1M all the way down until we get to the same junction at Worksop where it joins the A614. And this is where we are going to pick up the route from the driving position of the motorhome. We're starting off on the A1 heading south, and we're looking for the A614 for Nottingham and Ollerton. And we have a squeaky windscreen wiper. Okay, so here we are. We're going to take this exit towards the A614 towards Nottingham and Ollerton. Clumber Park is also on the way, so we can follow those directions as well if we want to. So this one here. So we're leaving the A1 and now we're going to turn onto the A614. Towards Nottingham and Ollerton. So all the way round the roundabout. So this second one, we're going to go left, again towards A614 and Clumber Park. First left. Right, we're heading towards Nottingham and Ollerton on the A614, so we're going straight across here. Still following the A614 to Nottingham and Ollerton. Sherwood Pines, there you go, first sign this way. Ahead, over the roundabout. Okay, Sherwood Pines, there's the sign. Here we are. This is the B6030 to Mansfield and Clipstone, and there's the sign for Sherwood Pines. So it's easy to remember actually, because you go straight under that low bridge and it's the first right. And there is our sign for Sherwood Pines. Incidentally, on the website it gives you the instructions to go down another junction, which is a bit weird, but it's a big triangle and it takes you down, well, more or less to the place where we come in from the south. But you don't need to do that. This is an easy road, straight road. Again, Sherwood Pines, straight on. Here is the Robin Hood pub on the left. There is the Sherwood Pines sign. We're going to turn left here. Nice big sign for you there. Can't miss that. All we need to do now is follow the signs to the campsite. Just follow this road. It goes straight there. There's a few side chutes which you may think about going down, like I did. But you just need to follow the dotted line down the middle of the road, really. The speed limit, well, here is where I almost went wrong. Just got to follow it round to the right. That's the parking for the visitors centre, and it is quite large. So if you are thinking of coming here in a motorhome and staying and going in the car park, you've got plenty of room, but you have to pay. And here we have the campsite. Just need to turn left here and you're here, you're there. New arrivals stop over to the left. Got a reception area on the right. If you found this video useful or interesting, then please do give it a thumbs up. Maybe though, you should consider subscribing, and if you do, then click that notification bell to get future updates on our videos. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.